Now we are entering into the Birds Park at the Nehru Zoological Garden at Hyderabad. There was a lot of birds are occupied at the Nehru Zoological Park. Like we have seen in the video, woodpeckers, etc. This is the entrance of the bird park. A big size statue has kept it at the park entry. A big eagle of a statue are kept it. This is the entry of the birds park. It was looking very nice for children and youngsters. It is interesting to view the birds park. So many knowledgeable things have taken pocket friendly while watching this. Different types of many species birds, curators. So many lots of trees. Have started here, nice interior at a bird park. Briefed them about the bird watching activities in the zoo premises. The zoo has always been a favorite haunt of Deccan birds. Massive green patch with Aptus national one side, which is full of vegetarian, and there is also Mir Alam tank on the other side. There are different ecosystems in the zoo, such as rocks, scarps, water bodies, and many more greenery plants and certain green lands which throw up a lot of birds. The cactus trees, so many various types of greenery leaves and flowers, plenty of models. We have watches here at a time at the park. A group of 40 bird watchers from Hyderabad visited National Nehru Zoological Park and identified around 88 bird species. So many stems have occurred while the nice greenery atmosphere. Nice air, nice interiors have we see in the garden at the birds park. At present, the zoo park has 173 species and nearly 1800 specimens. The entrance of the birds park, the heart-shaped while interior. This is the way to aviary. So many birds are kept in one glass cages like this. While we are seeing parrots, vernal hanging parrots. This is located in the area of 380 acres. The full park is. These are apart from several other birds, butterflies, and a few amphibians also. There are lots of parrots you are watching in the video. The greenery parrots are enjoying very well. The pair of two parrots are sat on a rope. They are relaxing. So many parrots are we have seen in the video. They are relaxing very well while in the sunlight, early morning hours. In the summer, the hot climate, Alexandrine parakeet. This is the one type of parrots. It is at western India. Generally, it is looks plum-headed parakeet. These like so many greenery parrots. The different varieties of green parrots are located in the parrots park. The single parrot, they are watching here and there for food grains. Usually they eat seeds, vegetables, carrots and other extra vegetable things. This is the red-breasted parakeet. So many birds are they hanged on the net and enjoying nice atmosphere air at the sunlight moments, early morning hours. The park holders are keeping food for the birds. This is the family we have seeing in the video. So this lake we see many more birds and parrots in the birds park at the Nehru Zoological Park. In this cage, so many baskets are kept their food grains: white dove, grey francolin, white doves we have seen in the video. So many types of doves hanging on the trees. Generally, it lifespans are 10 to 15 years. They are usually very active in the day movement. They sounds very loud. So many ducks, so many white doves we have seen in the one cage. Some are at a small nest. Red jungle fowl, a type of hens. Red forest hen, it calls as usually red forest hens. Usually it is foresters. They are very active while seeing the other hens at the public area. These hens have the size is also very big size. House sparrow, a small size of house sparrows we are watching at the cage on the basket. They are eating the food grains and sounds very loud. Usually they are very active. The louds very sounds. Spotted dove, laughing dove, Eurasian colored dove. There are many types of doves in this cage. We see some are hanged on the upside at the net, and some are watching, relaxing at the ropes.